Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. Today I'm doing something that I haven't done in a little while but used to do all the time. I'm going to do a flip cup pour. I think that 4 flip cups should be enough for this 40 by 50 canvas. So I'm going to definitely give it a go with some leftover colours that I have. A bit of a mismatch, but I'm just going to work with it. So I have some of my custom sparkling aqua turquoisey colour, which was made up out of my deep sea. I think it was deep sea and silver or deep sea and the pearl mist. This has been made up a while now, so thought what better to do a flip cup pour, flip and lip. So this was it's a very pale pepperminty. It's called Tahiti, but I did actually add some white to this to send it a bit lighter for a previous pour. So it has got a little bit of white in there, so it does make the colour a lot paler than it was originally. I'm gonna really throw in the mix here some cool red. So cool red, I think actually I will just add a bit of water to this because it's quite thick. So just a little bit of water, mix it up. It was very thick, so yes, you can definitely do that if your paints are too thick for a particular pour that you're going to do. So I'll just add a little bit of that. It's the cool red. Those particular colours go beautifully together, in my opinion. I'm going to, I'm going to add, it is my Berry Delicious, but I must have put more black in it than I normally do. It's the custom colour I make out of cool red, phthalo blue, and a good dash of black, and I call it the Berry Delicious. It's really dark black cherry, but it looks as though I've probably put more black in that because it looks quite dark, but that's okay. And this is a dusty pink of all things. It was pink and then I added some metallic silver, so it sends it a real dusty pink, but having the metallic, it's got that lovely glistening dazzle effect in it. So there's that one. Then I've got some more. Well, I've got some of the original dark sea, which is just one of my favourite colours at the moment. So love it because you can do so much with that too by adding the pearl mist or silver. It changes it into just gorgeous colours, or just white. I'll add some more of the gorgeous sparkling turquoisey colour on top of that. I'm just thinking, have I got enough paint here to even fill these 4 cups, but I will grab my white and add some white to this. This is just the white that I have pre-made up. It's made up of the same global impasto paint with my clear glue and water pouring mix, 70-30. But if you're looking for recipes, they're in the drop down box. There's a link also in my drop down box to particular videos of mixing paint and varnishing paint. So it's all there now. You say, what is she doing? I'm going with the orange. When I make up orange, I always put a good dash of yellow in it, so it's really nice and bright. Lots of people don't like orange, but in some of the pours with different colours, it's just lovely. It really brings out a lovely effect. So I'm going to just use this last bit of Berry Delicious up on top of that. That's about that. And the only colour I've got left, this was a complete mix of, I think it started as burnt umber, and then I added gold, and then I added black. So it's kind of undescribable. So we'll just top my cups up with it. And that's used all my leftover paints. It might make a big mess, a dog's breakfast as I'd like to call it, or it might just be something really lovely. Who knows? We'll give it a go. Top it with white. Rightio. Four cup flip. 4 kip pop. I'm going crazy. Rightio. Let's give this a quick flip over. Flipping floppers. There is no silicone in these paints at all. So the only thing that would give them cells or lacing is Floetrol added. So I'm gonna I'm not sure whether to pull one down and one up. Maybe I should do it that way, hey? So we'll go easy wizzy, let's get busy. Oh yeah. See, I love when the orange does things like that. But that one's that browny burnt umber with the gold in it. Oh yes. So lip your cup through the other colours too, that gives a different effect. Wow. I'll put those cups aside. I might need some to run off on the very, I'll wait until I've tilted, that's what I'll do. So the next exciting thing to do is just a gentle tilt. You can sort of, you could use your torch now, but I don't know, I always like to tilt first. Some beautiful cells coming out. You know what, it's not always about the cells. You can get beautiful artwork without cells, obviously. So it's just gently tilt and recentering your painting so you don't get the runoff all down, or the paint all at one end. So wow. I actually like the darker part in this more so, where the burnt umber and the orange are coming through. That's gorgeous. Now recenter it, just take it nice and slow. So that was called a flip, and then using the lip of your cup to go back through. I don't know, I don't keep up with all the names, different names or whatever, but I believe that is a flip cup. A flip and lip. Love that turquoise in there. I don't love this so much because I like the dark moody look of this one. I'm not sure if I'll get many cells come up because there isn't any silicone in it, but there is Floetrol, so and it's all right my runoff, because I will scrape that paint up and I will use it as a base coat for something. So just recenter your work again. And I may very well just lip some of this colour through. Especially through this light bit that I don't like so much. And just nice and slowly does it. A bit more through this light stuff. It kind of gives you a 3D effect when you do this. Oh, it's just starting to pour down with rain. See, it gives you a 3D effect as like, definitely. Rightio. Super duper. Oh, there's a little bit more in here. It will help with the effects. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Beautiful, love it. Rightio, I want to get my heat wand onto this and see. I actually love it without any of the too many cells. It's just got a few. I don't think too many will come up, but we will see. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous. Got a little bit of paint that I need to just put on the corner there. Loving it, loving it. That definitely stands out with the ribbons on the top. It definitely gives it a 3D effect. I could go one and put some Aussie slides in it with the Australian Floetrol and slide through it, but I kind of think it's got enough going on there, so I'm more than happy with that. So that's my 4 cup flip. Okie doke, I hope you like going back to the days of the flip cup. The good old flip cup. Give it a try if you haven't already. It comes out really lovely. So until tomorrow, my dears, cheerio, and yeah, take care of yourselves as always, and I will be back in the morning. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's absolutely free, and hopefully with a different idea. Thank you very much. Bye for now.